what's going on YouTube? This is tips for better food photography. Let's go. Today we're making something really easy just to show you guys what is the process to take really cool food photography, and let me give you some tips about it. Let's go for the food. Really easy. We're gonna have some black bean burgers, cherry tomatoes, spinach, avocado. So I'm gonna make a smashed avocado with some tomatoes and some lime. I'm gonna do some burger frying and some spinach. That's it. This is amazing for food photography because it's really colorful and it's gonna work amazing. So let's just get to it. Isn't avocado like the best food ever? Another pro tip is always remember to take photos while you make the food, not only when the food is ready, because look at this. This is like this chopping board with the avocado on top and a knife. It looks super nice. The knife is dirty, everything is like messy and choppy, and that's a perfect texture photo. So take photos when you make food as well. Guacamole is done. Now we're gonna do the spinach and then the beetroot burger at the end. But first, let me turn the flame on in style. As you can see now, a really easy and colorful and beautiful plate is ready. So how do we take photos of it? Let me show you. Take your plate and you put it on a table, and that's your first spot. You want to put in the table top down. If you have like a dark wooden table like the one I have here, it's amazing. So let's take some photos here, and then we're gonna go probably on the couch because I have a really colorful couch, and then we're gonna go outside. But first of all, let's take some photos on the table, and let me just show you what it looks like. One good trick again is take photos of the texture, go really close, change your aperture, change your lens. If you have another one or if you're just an iPhone, that's fine. You can get these photos nice and clean. As long as you get creative. I'm gonna go outside because I have like this little patch of grass over here, fake grass, and take some photos here, and then I'm gonna just eat my food because I'm hungry. That is all for today, guys. I hope you learned something. Please leave a comment, subscribe, leave a like, leave whatever you want down below, and I'm gonna eat because I'm pretty hungry. So have a nice Easter.